story goes back to earlier as 2002. Yeah. So at that time, Mr. Ma was on a building site, and unfortunately, he saw a worker falling down from the site. Yeah, got hurt seriously. So at that time, he got he's got very shocked about the industry. So he's doubt because there are automatic machine to build the airplane, automatic machine to build the vehicle like the car. Yeah, why there are no machine can be automatically build the house? That's a much safe way. That's my way, high efficient way. So, but his co-worker denied his idea. He said that's too hard. But Mr. Ma think the idea comes, since that conversation, the idea comes to his mind from time to time. He think that will be the future. The more he think that will be the construction. He call it industrialization. From the market side, the construction industry is a way bigger market compared to the automobile build industry. It is based on China's data, it will be 3 to 4 times bigger. So the auto industry already, it's highly automatic industry, but the construction for the house is too much labor, too low efficiency. So the future will be 3D printing.